Now you don't have to struggle by yourself anymore. You're in Welcome to the Shifting Gears community. This is where you learn how to make money online using school AI and YouTube. And I'm really glad you're here because you're not just joining another program, another course, another watch this and good luck thing. You're stepping into a space where we build together, and I'm not teaching this from a mountaintop. I'm in the trenches with you. I'm setting up the same systems, using the same tools, testing the same strategies you're about to learn. And the whole goal of Shifting Gears is simple: help you build a clear, doable, repeatable path to an online business that pays you over and over again, without trading all your time for money, without juggling 10 platforms, and without buying endless courses that never get you to the finish line. Inside Shifting Gears, we focus on one main thing: turn what you know into something people will actually pay for on repeat. And we do that with three things: school AI and YouTube. First, school. This is your home base, your community, your classroom, your calendar, all in one place. You'll learn how to set up a simple but powerful hub where your people can learn, connect, stay engaged, and where your recurring income shows up every month. Next, AI is your superpower in here because it helps you move faster without burning out. You'll use AI to brainstorm and validate ideas, outline your lessons, build your content, write emails, create worksheets, and speed up everything. And if you're sitting there like, who would listen to me? AI will help you organize structure and level up what you already know into something clear and valuable and easy for other people to follow. And then YouTube becomes your free marketing machine. No complicated ads, no crazy funnels. We keep it simple. Organic YouTube strategy so the right people can find you, connect with you, and join your school community, from content that keeps working long after you hit upload. Now, I want you to really picture what's possible. You don't need millions of followers. You don't need a giant audience. You need a small group of true fans, people who pay you every month because you help them solve a real problem. For example, imagine 400 to 1,000 members, each paying somewhere between $10 and $240 a month. That alone can change everything. Life gets very comfortable very fast. Because you're no longer stuck trading hours for dollars, you build it once and it keeps paying you again and again and again. That's the whole idea. Moving from time for money to build once, earn often. I'm excited you're here.